I prepped these battens for the table the same way I prepped the battens for the benches. So I left a 1/4 inch hole on the underside to allow for wood movement, expansion and contraction along the width of the grain. But for this longer slab that's going to be the table, I think I'm going to need more than a 1/4 of an inch. The internet says a general rule of thumb is to allow for a 1/4 inch of movement for every 12 inches of width. So this is about 24 inches, so I need a 1/4 inch of width allowance on the underside of this batten. So I'm going to drill a 1/2 inch hole. A 1/4 inch times 2 is a 1/2 inch. So I'm going to make this a 1/2 inch, make that a 1/2 inch, do the same for that batten down there. I wish that the manufacturer of these tables had made these slots this direction, which would allow me to properly accommodate for wood movement. Right now, that's not really helping me. The wood's not going to move much in this direction. It's going to be mostly in this direction. So I might drill my own holes, my own slots, to accommodate for the wood movement. Not my finest work, but it'll get the job done. Well, that's annoying. This thing was closed. I thought it was tight, and turns out that this chamfer was getting deeper and deeper. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to do a bigger roundover than I was originally anticipating. Try to blend that back in. That's annoying. Oh well. See, there's a ledge right there now, and this is the biggest roundover that I can do with the bit that I have. So I'm going to try to plane and sand that ledge away to blend it in with this radius. Got rid of the ledge. Roundover is different than it is on the rest of the board, but it's certainly less noticeable. We'll see how it turns out once I put the finish on. Oh yeah. Oh, come here. Come here.